The forks that I bought for this are by no means original, but they are probably better than the original. So as far as I've been told by my good friend who's currently stuck in Germany, he told me that these forks, which is the Kawasaki 300 forks, the original ones, are not adjustable. Whereas these ones that are currently installed are only adjustable to a certain extent in the means of pumping air into the forks with this tube. So this works as like a tire valve. So if you push this in, you can have air going out. So what you do is you put a needle in and then you pump air into it, and that'll increase the firmness of your front shocks.